If you're not noticing much here, you can certainly try doing it at a different angle, so sideways. This will kind of distract feeling more, but this is a good little stretch you can just try as an option.
So you see, Mike does do this with good posture. He's up tall. He's not leaning way over. And also, if this does by chance create some pain, any sharp pain, stop doing it. This is not one of those things that should create pain. But typically what we're looking for, like Mike said, if it feels good, a good stretch, or you get that little movement feeling pop in there and it feels good, then you're right on.
So after you perform the mobilization, we want to do some exercises to help keep that femoral head back in place. So what we need to do is strengthen the hip abductor muscles. Their focus is to kick the leg out to the side or keep you upright when walking. And we also want to strengthen the glute max. So we're going to go over 2 different exercises now you can do at home. So if you're really new to this, you don't need a resistance band. However, it's good to have one as an option. We'll show how to do that in a second. All you're going to do is stand with a nice upright posture. My stance leg, I'm going to have a slight bend in my knee. I'm not going to lock it out. And I'm simply going to kick out to the side about 6 to 8 inches. Come back in. You don't have to kick up way high if you don't want to. Keep it nice and low out to the side. Focus on keeping your foot off the ground. It's going to make your hip abductor work on your stance leg as well as the leg that is moving. We're going to shoot for 10 to 15 repetitions on one leg, and then we're going to switch and go to the other side. Now, if you have poor balance, Brad is holding onto a stick here. You can do this at a countertop or behind a chair if you want for balance sake.
You can hold onto the wall too.
Yes, you can.
Use it for support.
Just make sure you have good posture. Make sure your pelvis isn't hiking or dipping because that is focusing on this muscle. If this seems very easy to you, you can progress to a band right away. You can use a tube type band like this with handles or a loop band like Brad has. If you have cuff weights at home, you can certainly use those as well. Now just get a little bit of tension in the bands by pulling up. Again, you're going to do the same concept, just kick out to the side a little and then back in and do 15 repetitions on one side. Switch after 15, make sure to do the other side. Do that 2 to 3 times a day.
You'll get the feeling if you need more resistance, pull up or change your where the feet are under the band or over the band. You'll catch on real quickly to that, and this really will make the difference and give you good resistance.
And most bands come with options of resistance too, so you can change the band color once it becomes easy.
That's right.
Okay, now we're going to work on strengthening the glute max muscle. We're going to show this exercise in a couple variations here because we realize some people are not comfortable on their elbows and knees like this.